Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 2R and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button or by tapping on the screen. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press the upper button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called display and brightness, and once you find it, tap on it. Here scroll down and find the option called auto screen off. And of course tap on it to enter. And here we have list of durations in seconds, and we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it goes to 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So select the one you like. I'm gonna select 10. It's like, I would say, the best of both worlds. It's not too long and it's not too short. Then tap on the check mark to confirm. And tap on got it. And now my screen should turn off automatically after 10 seconds of inactivity. So if I won't touch the watch for 10 seconds, it should turn off. The screen should turn off like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.